What's up? It's Ratgirl here with an episode of Will This Mold Work? And today's mold is actually kind of cool. I have difficulty labeling all of them. I know that there are some crazy yellows and there are some chill yellows. It really does. Is that from the mix? Nah, just a rock. It's a little mold. It's circular. It could be used for maybe your rings or incense. Yeah, this silicone is actually really good. Yep, it's not so bad. Let's just get right into it. Today, I'm going to try to do two different yellows. These aren't the cleanest cups, but meh, it's okay. Okay. Now, it's kind of a small mold, so I don't think we need that much. I'm going to put less. I think if I do half C's on both, try to get a light yellow, try to get a dark yellow, we'll have more than enough. That should be good. I'm running really low. Do you see that? When I get to the end like that, I'm like, I'm gonna get more. But seeing the bottom of the tin, wow, I've been making a lot of things. So, yellow pigment is so fluffy. There's actually, it's not that much. Like, it looks like a lot, but yellow pigment is extremely, like, puffy. It doesn't condense, like, it doesn't compact. It's a dry pigment. It's a bit wide, it's like that. But yeah, so I think we're just gonna like unleash all the yellow into one and then just do a little bit here, but not too little that it kind of like turns into beige. So dry mix. It's cold outside. I don't know about you, where you are in the world, but right now I'm feeling a little cozy, but a little bit scared to get sick sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. Gotta make sure you have all your vitamins and you eat really well. Ooh, I already like this. Yeah. There you go. That's a good mixing texture. Smoothly doing it. You're not going too fast. See? Nice yellow. Could even be darker. It's like cannery a little bit. Cannery yellow. Let's get the other one. It's gonna be way lighter. Could add some white. Probably should actually. Make sure that this one really does get a different tone to it. Do they look the same? They look the same. We're gonna add white. Let's add some white. Oh yeah, that worked. There you go. That's kind of what I was saying, like not like a yellow beige, but like a yellow like this, because it'll be lighter. It's always almost like a shade lighter when it cures, right? We got two yellows. Now to cast this, let's like have fun and maybe put it in together. Let's do it like this. Nice and slow, but it's a little hard to do this. Okay, so you got that first. Oh my gosh, it looks like cheese. You could use your hands, right? Like, don't always need the knife. And then I want to make sure I'm really getting in there. Sweet. I think it'll be cool. I haven't done yellow like this in a while. Looks like we have just the right amount. Just missing a bit right here. You can see, if you see like a shadow, a little bit missing. So I'm gonna let this cure for maybe like 4 hours. I'm gonna go clean myself up. I'll see you soon. Hey everyone, I'm back. I waited to demold this beautiful piece of concrete over here. I could already see a nice little shine, which means a good thing about the way you mix. So we're gonna peel this slowly. Always loosen up the edge before demolding. Okay. Looks cool. Interesting. There you go. And then you've got your circular ashtray. It's a really good cast. Just see some like marks here. That's from the other yellow. So the details are kind of cool. Really does give it like a little aged cheese look. Solid casting. Does it work? Yeah, it works, and it works really well. I recommend a mold that looks like this with our concrete. Thanks for watching. See you next time.